Our Earth is the only planet in our solar system where life exists. This is because of its unique environment. The presence of air and water, the right amounts of sunlight and moisture, and the right range of temperature are some factors that make the Earth capable of sustaining life. Conditions that support life on Earth: distance from the Sun and gravitational force. The distance between the Sun and the Earth is such that the Earth gets enough sunlight and heat to sustain life. The temperature at most of the places on Earth remains between 20 degrees Celsius to 48 degrees Celsius, which is good enough to sustain life. The light from the Sun is enough to warm the Earth's land and water, well suited to support life. Also, the Earth exerts the right gravitational force to hold its atmosphere. In case the gravitational force of Earth gets reduced, all the gases present on the Earth would escape to the space.